Hello and welcome back to me, my Suryan Vlogs. It's another vlog of Abuja, Nigeria. Today we are going to explore in this vlog National Council of Art and Culture. So it is situated within the cultural heart of the capital. The National Council of Art and Culture plays a pivotal role in the preservation and promotion of Nigeria's diverse artistic heritage. It established to coordinate and promote the development of arts and culture across Nigeria. The National Council of Art and Culture serves as a central hub for cultural activities and initiatives. It organizes numerous events such as the National Festival of Arts and Culture, which celebrates the various cultural expressions of Nigeria's over 250 ethnic groups. This festival features exhibitions, performances, and workshops, providing a platform for artists to showcase their talents and for the communities to engage with their heritage. In addition to festivals, the National Council of Art and Culture is involved in capacity building initiatives aimed at empowering artists and culture practitioners. Through their workshops, trainings, programs, and grants, the Council fosters skills development and promotes cultural entrepreneurship. The National Council of Art and Culture also collaborates with international organizations to promote Nigerian arts on a global scale, helping to enhance cultural diplomacy. By participating in international cultural exchanges, the Council showcases Nigeria's unique artistic voice and strengthens ties with other nations. As it is located in a strategically significant area of Abuja, the National Council of Arts and Culture offices serves not only as an administrative center but also as a resource for cultural stakeholders. The facility includes galleries and spaces for exhibitions, allowing for ongoing engagement with the public and cultural enthusiasts. Through its various programs and initiatives, the National Council for Arts and Culture continues to play a crucial role in shaping the landscapes of art and culture in Nigeria, fostering national unity and enhancing the country's culture identity on both national and international stages. The National Council for Arts and Culture in Abuja is an essential destination for tourists interested in exploring Nigeria's rich culture and heritage, just like me. So, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and please do share my vlogs and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye, take care.